welcome back to my vlog. Myself, Mick, who knows who. Guys, I'm out and about today in Navan, County Meath, Ireland. I'm outside home base, guys. I want to get a few bits for the gaff, the project, the vlog, you know. I'm doing room by room, so I was in another home base store down the road, or another hardware like so, but there was music on in the background, right? So I couldn't be videoing and stuff. So Jeff's with me anyway. Look at the skid marks here, guys, out in the car park. Bit of GTA going on, huh? Bit of GTA, huh? Happens out here as well, boys. Boy racers, they call them over here in Ireland, man. They come out, you'll hear the cars in the background. They come off the motorway at night there. Come in here and they'll have car cruises and shit in here at night. So it's all good, yeah? I'll see you on inside, yeah? Right, guys, welcome back. I'm in the tool section. Yeah. Right, let's go. Get ready for DayZ tonight, yeah? I'm ready to go. I'll be thrown out here any minute. No, I'm in here to get paint and shit, but what price is this, just so you know? Right, Jeff. Much a day? 58 euros. 58 euros, man. Right, what do I actually need in here, Jeff? Right, what else have we got up here? Oh, little brickies trowels and stuff, yeah. Don't need them anymore. Right, guys, what else have we got? Don't get caught by the peepers, Jeff. Oh, little power washers, I need one of them, yeah. 350, look, euros. 199. 199. Oh, boys. Full selection. Full selection of the gloves. I'm not going to put them on with the pandemic and shit, you know yourself. What's happening anyway? There's music in the background, just so I'm just turn off. Boys and girls, you have to scatter out of the shop there. You hear music in the background, so. Yeah, I got one can of paint, but I got more earlier on, like, so. I'll let you know whether, I don't even know whether this is going to go live or not, so. Hopefully it does anyway. Right, yeah, just have a quick look down there, Jeff, look. Something probably similar to the way it is in the US, right, Jeff? That'll do for now, Jeff. See you in a bit. Yes. Now, guys, we got it all done. We couldn't continue with the camera work inside in the store because for various reasons. I got the colours gone anyway. So, here's my bathroom. That's going to be Atlantic spray, right? Now, then the kitchen. Flame and fire, yeah? So obviously then I have my ceiling colour, which is white. And obviously then my masking tape and all that sort of stuff, yeah? And all this, yeah? This is my sheets and covers and stuff. Right? I have one coat, or this is my cream, sorry, for my timber. If you look up there, Jeff, up in behind that, you'll see when I show you the actual real video of the house. From the kitchen inside tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get all this done in a day, hopefully. So yeah, so that cream is going to be for my pine ceiling. I have a sloped pine ceiling inside, so I'm going to put the cream on that. I have my other bits and pieces then, wood filler and stuff like that for obviously the pine and that. So yeah, I got the professional brushes, guys, right, for all the bits and pieces I need now, right? Now, interesting facts. I never done it yesterday, obviously, about the plastering. Who invented plastering? The Egyptians invented plastering for their murals and stuff, right? So I always tell guys about that. Now, the paint. Through the prices, guys, right? This guy here, 2 tubs of this guy for my bathrooms, right? I'll get the 3 bathrooms out of this, yeah? Just getting onto it, yeah? These 2 tubs here, these 2 tubs, 50 euros. 50 euros, right? Now, I know, I looked at the exchange rate, right? So, you do your looking, and 50 euros, so, mad. Right, another interesting fact about paint, because we all know when you mix different colours, that's how you end up with red. Well, I'm not no expert. I wasn't in the art class, right? But in 1866, this is why it's costing so much, I would imagine. A fella by the name of Sherwin Williams, an American fella, right? An American lad, yeah? He was the first fella to open a paint store, right? Which had, right, cans of coloured paint that didn't need preparation. So in other words, you didn't have to mix them yourself, right? Now, it's unusual to get colours like this, because I remember one time if you used to have to go into a paint store, you'd have to pick them out. Now this mightn't be any benefit to the gamers out there, but look, you never know. You're going to get old. Someday you might get away from the computer and that, you know, and you might start thinking, I might paint my room maybe. I might paint that wall behind me, because I know a lot of you are YouTubers and stuff, and you spend all the time
sitting thinking about how to get forward, right? Paint the room maybe, yeah? You know what I mean? Changes your perspective on life. Trust me. Yeah, so yeah, that's the man. Yeah. An American fella, yeah, Sherwin Williams. So he's the first boy that invented a can of paint. Realistically, had a lid on it and the whole lot. You know what I mean? Yeah. Clever little fella. So brought it to the marketplace basically. What else have I got? Nothing really. A bit of sandpaper and that, and this, that, and the other. And how he's all keeping anyway. I'm grand, so I'm getting ready anyway. So didn't do a whole lot. I was wanted to continue with the video inside in the store, but oh, getting cold out here. Getting cold, man. 13 degrees. 13 degrees is all it is. It's I'd say it's even been fair being 13. It's about 10 or that. Now, put up the hood, yeah? My mother used to always say to me, take down that hood. I was like, what's wrong with you, Matt? What's wrong, like? There used to be a thing back in the day, you know, if you had a hoodie on you or a ruffian or something. Probably, it still is the way, because I tell you, when we were going in the door of the store, I had the hood up. I could see the security guard looking at me. I had the mask on, the hood up. Maybe things haven't changed that much at all, have they? Fella with a hood up, it's a ruffian, is he? Yeah, so I bought the rollers. Oh yeah, the whole lot. The whole lot there, right? All that. Right? 270 notes for what's on the table. Euros. 270 euros. Right? So I'm looking forward to it now. I like the red in the kitchen. I have a cream kitchen. The kitchen, I'll show you obviously in the video, but the kitchen is more or less that colour. You know? So yeah. I'm looking forward to GTA now, I won't lie. Yeah. Oh, went in to look for a laptop. No laptops till next week or something, so I was hoping to do the video with the laptop sitting here. Big shout out to Willis. Don't worry, Willis Brown, I'm working on it, man. It's next. I went into the store and all. I have the paper there for to get the laptop. That's the next purchase. I'll do the painting and that tomorrow, and I'll get online. I don't forget now what day they're coming in or that, but I'll have a look online and see if I can pick myself up a laptop. But I want to get this graphics card going. This should change my life. This should change the streams when I can get this graphics card going, you know. So don't forget to subscribe, like the channel and all that, yeah. Subscribe, hit the notifications. Sorry this vlog wasn't that interesting, like, but I was hoping to do more in the stores, but they seem to just have like a lot of music on in all them stores, like, so we gotta look out for more like shops with no music that they can't feck up, or what's that they call it? Oh yeah. We know what they call it. Right guys, thanks a million for tuning in. Have a look at the products again, Lee. Because tomorrow these hopefully, I'll get it done. Oh, I'm missing something. I have sugar soap as well. Oh, I miss me sugar soap. It's in the car somewhere. Sugar soap. I'm going to wash the whole place down with sugar soap first. It's nice. Give me a nice clean sugar soap. Great man for everything. Clean everything. So I have that there for cleaning my PVC windows. It's a tenner, but I'm going to need it for the whole house, because I know a lot for this vlog might be interesting for a lot of you, but you know what I mean? So what can you do? Like, I have to keep going on there. Just keep peddling, as a fella said, you know. That's the same for any of the younger people that have continued on watching this video. In life, in general, in everything. Just keep peddling, because if you stop peddling, you fall over, don't you? So I'm looking forward to getting cracking now in the morning, so I better not be up late. I can't keep me up late, because I'll be tired worker then. And a tired worker is an unproductive worker. That's a football underneath me there, Jeff. I seen that. Can I give out to Jeff? Nah, I can't give out to Jeff. Jeff's a great lad. Jeff is a great lad. No, a big shout out to Jeff. And thanks a million, guys, for watching the vlog. And subscribe, like, hit the notification.